Good morning, guys. It's December 24th, almost Christmas na, guys. So we have a special guest. Yay, Ate is back from Canada and we will spend it in Taiwan. So we'll have our family Christmas celebration sa Taiwan for 7 days, so for a week. So join us, guys. It's going to be fun, thrilled adventure, lots of fun. Let's go! Hey guys, we reached Taiwan. We're activating our eSIM. Very hungry. Boneless chicken. Hot. Mommy with her usual Thai-pad kapal. Taiwan Cycling Festival. Guys, meron tayong token. Arrive Seaman shopping destination, guys. Luxury bags. Parang Green Hills, guys. So pero puro authentic, original. So Seaman to, malapit sa few minutes from our hotel. So check out yung dinner spot. Let's go. So Riley recommended itong dinner spot na to. So we'll be having our first dinner. So it's parang beef noodle shop. So very famous siya sa Ximending. Do you understand the menu na?
It's in English.
Michelin pala to, Riley. Lao Shandong noodles. So Michelin. Good pick na. Nice pick. May alert na earthquake, guys. Sana nothing serious. Right, guys. So beef, tendon, and tripe. Lapad yung noodles. First taste, guys. Let's taste the broth. Oh, wow. Ang sarap. Sobrang flavorful. Lasang-lasa pa yung beef. Yung laman loob ng beef. Mukhang sobrang tender. Very effortless, guys. Umihiwalay na kagad yung laman. And yung noodles. Handmade daw lahat daw guys. So wonder pinipilahan siya na bas. So, tawag ni Mami Paris daw to. Lambot, sobra. Mga noodles guys, oh. Parang lasagna. Oh. Hindi namin maubos guys. Ang bigat. Si Mami na lang mabawas. You have to eat this ng mabilis kasi lumalamig agad. So we went upstairs guys. So parang ano to. Sa Green Hills, puro toys, collectibles. So may few cellphone stands pero majority mga collectible shops ng mga laruan. Yeah. Nakikita mo. So, syempre hindi tayo familiar dyan. Yan, Labubu. I'm blown away. Sa dami ng mga figures dito. Alright guys, may pinipilahan kaming street food. Crispy milk donut daw siya. Ayan. So, maliit na estante lang. Pero grabe yung pila sa all the way sa likod. So siguro mga 20 minutes na kami nasa sa linya. We're almost close. Ayan na. So sana hindi maubos pagdating namin. So ilang bibili natin?
8. May promo sila
8 pieces na para tigda dalawa kami. Alright guys, so balitaan ko kayo pag nalalasana natin. 40 Taiwanese dollar ang isa. So if you buy 4, 150 na lang. Madip sa sugar. Right, this is it guys. We'll have a taste test.
Sarap.
Ang dami ng bibig ko sigurado.
Sarap.
Crunchy, moist, matamis. Masarap sa kape to. Ha? Kain kape. Ximending, Taipei. Ximen Station. It's Christmas Eve. In a few hours, birthday na ni Jesus. Happy birthday.
Do you smell that? That's pink.
Hi, Ma. Are you enjoying the weather? Don Don Donkey.
Do you smell that? That's pink.
Tayo tingin ka uling ganun.
Eileen.
We'll try to load up yung MRT cards. So, pwede ka bumili sa Family Mart. Sa ibang design. And yung kila Riley parang keychain.
可以200。
200可以，可以。
Riley's MRT card. Pringles kay ate. Yung keychain sa Rio. Nag-load kami ulit. We just finished hearing Mass on Christmas Day. We're walking towards papuntang MRT. So, syempre, photo op muna sila, Mami. So, punta kami dito guys, Taipei 101. Let's go! Hi! Beautiful, ate. Hi. Alright, Taipei 101 guys. Akit tayo mamaya dyan. Let's go! Hi guys, it's lunchtime. Ate's having a beef. Same goes with Riley. Mami, Yang Chow. Mine is Korean. Time for coffee. Ate, ate. Ay, Fountain Square. So it's raining guys, but we're actually here sa Taipei 101. Ito yung Taipei 101 Mall. We had late lunch. It's nice. It's raining nga lang, pero yeah, would have been a nice spot for photos sana. Weather ate, not too cold. Daming tao guys. Papunta na dito Skyway. Papunta dun sa other side ng mall. Guys, 101 Tower. Nasa Skyway kami, Bridgeway. Ang lamig. I think mga 12 degrees ngayon. Sarap.
Riley, ito map ko. Saan tayo dyan?
Going back sa Taipei 101.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pila uli Sinday. Basta. Aha. Kulay ng Adidas. Name it, anong kulay ng Sambas. Nandito na. Walang lock. Cheesy. Sorry. Alrighty. Beef. Lambot.